Hi Hadu, today we are going to draw a very basic scenery. It will be very easy, nothing's complicated. So first we put a straight line here, then we can draw a curve along here. We can see little greeneries here. Let's put a pyramid like this. Another one we can draw like this. There are tall trees coming up from here. Let's put two lines to draw the trees. We can make it darker. Okay, this is the basic of the tall trees. Sometimes this is palm or the date palm. Usually these types of trees, these are so much in the desert, so many trees grows there. So naturally they are endemic to this kind of region. Different trees grows many part of the region for only that part. So you see so many trees like this in the desert. We can put little shade like this to the pyramid. If we like, we can put few details like this, like the pyramid blocks. So many blocks. Put little shades along the border line and this border in the middle. Also few at the bottom. Few at the bottom here. All right, little darker or separation of the ground with the water. This is the desert, so lots of sands we see here. Okay, so let's put some color. So blue for the water here. We would put the color as easy as possible. Then we can put the sands here. Greens will be here. Sorry, pyramids. Okay, this sky looks little yellow to the top and reddish or red to the bottom. Let's emphasize the red color little more. All right, so the drawing is done. I hope you like the video. It's a very simple drawing. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.